Hey everyone, today I want to talk about a powerhouse drink that's been gaining popularity, hibiscus tea. If you're a health enthusiast like me, you're always on the lookout for natural remedies that can pack a punch. So let's dive into why you should consider adding hibiscus tea to your daily routine and also when it's best to avoid it. First off, the benefits. Hibiscus tea is packed with antioxidants and is rich in vitamin C, which is great for your immune system. It's also known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Feeling a bit down? Hibiscus tea acts as a mild antidepressant due to its flavonoids, plus it can help with digestion and even aid in weight loss. And if you're worried about your heart, this tea improves blood circulation and overall cardiovascular health. Pretty amazing, right? But wait, there's more. Hibiscus tea has been shown to relieve menstrual pain, reduce the risk of colorectal cancer, and even treat minor ailments like nausea, sore throats, and hiccups. On top of all that, it's a natural remedy for urinary tract diseases and can be a lifesaver for those suffering from asthma. Now, let's talk about the side effects. While hibiscus tea is generally safe, it's important to be cautious. It lowers blood pressure, which is great if you have high blood pressure, but not so much if your blood pressure is naturally low. It can also cause allergic reactions like itchy eyes and hay fever-like symptoms, so start with small doses. And for pregnant women or those on hormonal treatments or birth control pills, it's best to consult your doctor first. So there you have it. Hibiscus tea is a fantastic addition to your diet with numerous health benefits. Just be mindful of the potential side effects and consult your healthcare provider if you have any concerns. Cheers to your health. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next video.